Good evening. We have some very, very tragic news to report tonight. According to multiple sources, and it has been confirmed, that former Kentucky player Terrence Clarke has indeed passed away in a car accident tonight. This is very tragic. I can also confirm that Brandon Boston was following behind him. Both were declared for the NBA draft. Both were out in California. But luckily, Brandon Boston was not involved. But unfortunately, Terrence Clarke was not lucky. He has indeed passed away. As a channel, and our thoughts and prayers go out to his family, his teammates, as well as the University of Kentucky basketball program. This is a very serious tragedy, and we ask that you not bother the University of Kentucky too much, and do not bother his family, and please please respect their privacy during this time. Terrence Clarke played this season. He declared for the NBA draft. He had such a bright future ahead of him. So please, my message to everyone out there: do not take life for granted. Please, do not take life for granted. It can all change in a flash. This should be a reminder to please do not take life for granted. Today will be a day Kentucky fans will never forget. Please join me in a moment of silence. God bless his family and the University of Kentucky. Thank you.